My name's Adrian Jacobs. I'm the senior leader for Indigenous Justice and Reconciliation for the Christian Reformed Church. And I work out of the Burlington office. I live in Waterdown. I have 4 grandchildren in Brantford, so they're only half an hour away from me. This is what I do. I love doing this, bringing people together and working with people and helping people understand the story of the land and trying to connect it together with our, you don't have to be a Christian, but there are foundations for Christians to think about justice. And justice is throughout the Bible.
This past fall, a group of Hearts Exchanged alumni were invited to join Adrian Jacobs, the CRCNA's senior leader for Indigenous Justice and Reconciliation, for a day on the land at 6 Nations of the Grand River. Participants heard a talk from Jacobs called Knowing Place and Land Rights. Hearts Exchange participants are seeking to wrestle with how our churches can become places of belonging and embrace God's call to reconciliation with Indigenous neighbors. This learning opportunity offered people an opportunity to learn alongside others on this journey.
Our peacemaker brought peace to us without anybody dying. There was no death in our revolution, from a very fighting condition to a peace. And this belt is at least 880 years old. Not this belt in particular, but this belt is the story that goes back 880 years old. It's the story of the peacemaker. These little lines connecting and reaching out, it's the symbol of arms linked together. So we decided not to fight with each other and to link arms with one another. And when the conflict happened in Caledonia, the women did that. They linked arms with one another because they're the ones responsible for the land. They were at the front. All the people were behind them. And we managed to move the police off the property. And we're still there from 2006. We're still on the land. We haven't left. We're going to, because future generations. So I would like us to do something. If we could all stand up, come together in our circle with the person next to you and link arms with them. This is what we meant by treaty. Our peacemaker said, we link arms together. And this is what makes our confederacy strong.
For more information about living in treaty relationships, injustice, and the Church Universal's role in contributing to the problem, and how the Church can take steps towards reconciliation, get connected with the Hearts Exchange group.